Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Naomi_Yomi. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Have a look at my other videos and just have a great time. So in today's video, we're talking all things that I didn't know about pregnancy. Like, this is my first baby, and I've been learning quite a lot of things that I didn't know about pregnancy. Some of them are very shocking, some of them are very interesting, some of them are very weird. So yeah, if you're here for that, stay tuned. You might learn a thing or two from me. So I don't know if I have 8 or I have 10, but I will end where I feel I've said enough. I've been forgetting these days, guys. I forget things so easily. So anyways, let me just get into the video. So number 1, morning sickness. I thought morning sickness was just like in the morning, like when you wake up and then there's, you have morning sickness when you're pregnant. That is not the case. Morning sickness can actually happen at any time of the day, anytime, anywhere. I don't even know why they call it morning sickness, because it can be in the morning, in the afternoon, 2 a.m. That's what happened to me, especially in my first trimester. Like, I'd have my morning sickness in the morning, in the afternoon. You'd be shopping somewhere, or just out of your house, at the store, and it just happened. So that was something that was actually new to me. I didn't know that. I don't even know why it's called morning sickness. Being moody, emotional, sometimes I wake up very happy. I think I've mentioned this in some of my previous video. So sometimes you wake up very happy, you wake up very excited. Sometimes you wake up very moody, like everyone is just annoying. You don't want to talk. You don't know what's the problem, so you're just moody. Your mood swings are literally everywhere. When pregnant people used to say, like, pregnant people or pregnant women are mostly moody, I never used to understand how bad it was until I was in the situation. It's really bad. Sometimes I just don't want to talk to anyone. I don't want to receive calls. I just don't want to talk to everyone. I just want to be by myself. And then number 3 being, disliking certain people. Oh my gosh, my husband is going to see this. There was a point in my life where, in my pregnancy rather, where my husband was my least favorite person. I think my husband and my brother were like one of my least favorite people. Like, I love my husband very much. If you know me, you should know that I really love my husband. Baby, I'm so sorry. But there was just a time where I found him very irritating. Like, shame. He's been so nice to me, he's been so good to me, he's been so supportive, he's been loving. But there's just some certain times where I find him so annoying. Like, even him being next to me is just so annoying. It's so like, I'd even say, can you just shift that side? Like, I wouldn't want to have him around. And apparently there's nothing wrong with that. I don't know. And I would want him close to me when he would be away, and then when he's there, I'm like, oh my gosh, no. And when he's far, I'd even call him like, when are you coming? You need to come. And then when he comes, I'm like, no, it's not working. And then I think number four being constantly peeing. I'm constantly peeing, guys. I need to go all the time. I'm sorry if you're hearing any noise around me. I'm actually filming this in the car because I feel like it's never gonna happen if I don't do it today. So yeah, I'm so sorry about the noise. So yeah, constantly peeing all day, air time. And then number 5 is being constipated. Yo guys, pregnancy, I am constipated all the time. Most of the time, I think 80% of the time, I'm constipated. Like, I'd go to the loo and I'd feel like I really need to go. I got to go. And when I get there, I just sit there for like 30 minutes and nothing happens, guys. It is so bad. the constipation has been too much for me. And also I knew the being swollen of the I think this is number 6. I knew about the swelling of your feet. When you're pregnant, your feet get swollen and everything like that, but I didn't know your hands, your fingers can actually get swollen. I'm sure you've seen that sometimes in my video. I'm wearing my ring, sometimes I'm not wearing my ring. That's because my hands are sometimes swollen, so I can't put on my ring. So I didn't know that. And yeah, your sense of smell, sense of taste, it's just different. It's just different from other people. Like I can smell a lot of things, and the person next to me can't smell what I'm smelling. It's so weird. It is literally very, very weird. And what am I missing, guys? I forget. These days I forget. Yeah, you forget a lot. You forget a lot. I'd be in another room and I'd want probably my shoes, and I'd go in my bedroom, and when I get there I forgot what I'm looking for. I'm just standing. Also, guys, my nose losing shape. My nose has been losing shape, guys. I didn't know it was gonna be this bad. It is really, really bad. My nose has lost a lot of shape. Like it is just shapeless. If I was born like this, I would have gotten used to it, but because I wasn't born with a nose like this, it's so uncomfortable. I think it's basically one of the things that I'm so insecure about in my pregnancy. I'm so insecure about my nose. Like I haven't even been taking pictures a lot because I just feel like I'm not pretty, and it's okay, guys. Please don't come and say, Naomi, but you're not that bad. Trust me, like when I'm on my own, when I'm alone, I think about it and I just look at this nose. I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't think it was going to be this bad. Yeah, I've heard people saying that you lose, your nose loses shape and stuff like that. But I just, when you just think it's never going to happen to you and then it just happens to you, and reality is you can't do anything about it. So my nose losing shape, I didn't know, and I didn't even think it was going to be this bad. It is terrible, guys. I know, like I feel like the camera even adds a little bit more weight on my nose. So yeah, I don't want to cry. Oh yeah, and I think I've mentioned this before, I've been very, very emotional. I've been very, very emotional through this pregnancy. I've been crying a lot, and I also feel like I have so much saliva in my mouth, guys. So much saliva. No matter how many times I swallow, no matter how many times I spit out, there's just saliva in my mouth, like all the time. And it's very, very uncomfortable, especially when you're doing a video and then you open your mouth and then the saliva is just there. It's so gross, but forgive me for that. It's the situation that I'm in. And I also, like, as I'm talking or filming this video rather, I feel like my mouth is swollen in a way, because I'm finding it difficult to open my mouth and pronounce some words. So yeah, those are the things that I didn't know about pregnancy. But we live, we learn, and it comes with the journey, I guess, that I am on right now. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate you guys. My channel has been growing. You guys have been watching. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, do like, do leave a comment. If you're pregnant, what didn't you know about pregnancy? There's quite a lot, guys, but I don't want those videos to be long. So yeah, do leave a comment and let me know what you've experienced, what was new to you. I'd really, really love to know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Bye.